I manifested $5,000 today. Here's how you will do it. Just saw a post that says y'all aren't getting it. Instead of commenting, I'll just make my own post about Neville. I've been a Neville reader since 2019. I watched The Secret on Netflix, then read the CIA Gateway tapes, and finally landed on Neville Goddard on YouTube. I've read more Neville than anyone. I've read most books at least 4 times. I spend years going between practicing and learning. If people could hear my success stories, non-believers would call me a liar. I've manifested sums of money from $60 to $1,000 in ways that make no sense. I can manifest large sums of money in as little as 4 hours, like today, and small sums like $60 in a literal minute or 2. Story for another day. Today, I was having issues with career and school. I told myself I would make a scene to fix it. I always work my way backwards, so I chose the last sentence in the scene. I'm glad it's all figured out. Moments later, this happened. I got a call from my school. They waived fees, and now I can enroll without payment, and I'm off the hook. Next, I checked my email for no reason at all. I wasn't expecting an email. I had 2 new emails back to back. The first saying, "You won a settlement. Your 3-figure sum was deposited through Zelle." The other saying, "Cha-ching. Your 4K deposit is on the way." The law is always successful, yet I'm always surprised. Not surprised that it worked, but surprised by the unfolding of events. Here's how you do it. The secret is, I am. That's it. I set the stage of all figured out. I had faith that my scene would work. So much faith that I didn't even have to practice the scene to get what I want. So simple, but some people don't find it easy. You have to make it a habit. Do it daily. Examples. How will I pay this bill? Oh wait, I am abundant. It'll be taken care of. I need to lose weight. Hold on. I am actually really beautiful and healthy. I want a boyfriend. I am actually loved and treated well. For specific scenes, you use SATs. But it may not be convenient to do SATs at work or something. But you can use I am 24/7 365. I am is exactly what Neville teaches. If everything is you pushed out, you have to be your desire and make elsewhere here. You are already in Barbados. You're always in Barbados. I am is the faith. When you say I am, you already believe yourself. That's why you're saying it. Look around. You made this life. Right now, close this damn app and start saying I am. You're freaking welcome. I pointed to the key in your pocket that unlocks the universe. Have a nice day. Hint, if everything is you pushed out, when you point at others, you're pointing at yourself. Rachel is so mean. You made her that way. The water is so gross, your fault. My boss is so aggy, so are you. She is you. Okay, I meant for this to be short. I'm really done now. Subscribe and comment if you like more stories.